Hi, hello mates. So in this video we'll discuss about the fundamental counting principle. Counting principle, fundamental counting principle. All are same meaning. Clear? Here, so to understand this, first of all here, it is very important principle, entire permutation and combination. So based on this principle, so many problems. So here so many, I think, entire concepts to understand the concepts in the permutation and combination. So it is very useful. Okay, yes. So I want to explain fundamental counting principle by taking one example. I am taking Mumbai, Hyderabad. What is our Siddipet? Here I took 3 areas. So I am thinking that I am at now Mumbai. Where am I? Mumbai. So I want to go to Mumbai to Siddipet. Where I have to go? Siddipet. So I cross the Hyderabad. So what is the middle area? Hyderabad. Clear? Yes. Here to go to Mumbai to Hyderabad. Mumbai to Hyderabad, I want to take 4 possibilities. The transport, first one is simple, bus. Next one is car, I have a car. Next one is train. Next one is aeroplane. So this is my option. Okay. So next, Hyderabad to Siddipet. Hyderabad to Siddipet, how many? I want to take 3 possibilities. First one is bus, it is your option. Second one is car, it is my option. So next one is we have no train, I am taking this bike. Okay, here first Mumbai to Hyderabad, how many chances, how many transports? 4. Hyderabad to Siddipet, how many? Here 3 transports. Clear? So now my question is, how many ways from Mumbai to Siddipet? How many ways to go to Siddipet from Mumbai? By. Okay? Yes. How many ways? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 ways? No, it is not correct. Very wrong answer. Here, listen once. I'll say one thing. I want to go from Mumbai to Hyderabad by bus. So next to Hyderabad to Siddipet, bus. It is one way. Next, I want to go to Mumbai to Hyderabad, same by bus. Hyderabad to Siddipet, I want to select car. Okay, so next, Mumbai to Hyderabad, I want to go by bus. So next, Hyderabad to Siddipet, I have a bike. So here Mumbai to Hyderabad, I went by bus. So remaining Hyderabad to Siddipet, how many chances? 3 chances. 1, 2, 3. In the same way, car. I want to go to Mumbai to Hyderabad by car. Next, I want to my ways, bus, car, bike. Bus, car, bus, bike. Here, bus has 3 chances. Car has 3 chances. Train also 3 chances. Train. Next, aeroplane also 3 chances. Overall, how many chances, how many ways to go from Mumbai to Hyderabad? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 threes. 12. Very good. Excellent. Okay. 4 threes. 12 as. Okay. So here we have to notice one thing. Again we have to notice here in the first observation I am taking observation 1. Observation 1. Mumbai to Hyderabad. It is observation 1. Next observation 2 is Hyderabad to Siddipet. Observation 2. Two observations. First observation 4 ways. Second observation 3 ways. Overall from Mumbai to Hyderabad, how many ways? 4 into 3, 12 ways. We have to understand in the product 2 numbers. 2 observations, 2 numbers. Okay. Next, suppose 3 observations, 3 numbers. 4 observations, 4 numbers. 5 observations, 5 numbers. 100 observations in the product, 100 numbers. N observations, N numbers. K observations, K numbers. I want to take third observation. So here I don't like the Siddipet. I want to go to Karimnagar. Karimnagar, Sirsilla. Okay. Yes. Here Siddipet to Karimnagar, I want to take 5 possibilities. So like it, go to Karimnagar by first one is bicycle, cycle. I have so much interest to. Okay, bicycle. So next one is bike. I have a bike. Third one is bus. It is your chance. Next one is car. Next one is helicopter. Okay, helicopter. Clear ones. Here, how many chances? 5 chances. Oh my God. Here, Siddipet to Karimnagar, 5 chances. It is observation number 3. What we discussed, 3 observations in the product, 3 numbers. So overall how many ways? 3 numbers, 4 into 3 into 5. So in this way we can decide the principle. Suppose what is the fundamental counting principle we should know. Okay, yes. So I told you before, k number of observations. K number of observations. K number of observations. K number of operations. How can we decide? First, okay, let me tell you one thing here. First, K1 observation, K2 observation, K3 observation, like this. O1 observation, O2 observation, O3 observation. Like K1 observation, K2 observation, K3 observation, and so on. K. K observations. K number of observations. Here, first K1 observation. I want to here like this 4 possibilities. I want to take N1 possibilities. K2 observation. I want to take N2 possibilities. Like this. Second observation like 3 possibilities. Next K3 observation I want to take now like this 5 observations. I want to take N3 observations. So last observation K number of observations I want to here NK observations. How many numbers? K number of numbers. K number of observations. 2 observations in the product, 2 numbers. 3 observations in the product, 3 numbers. K number of observations in the product, how many numbers? K number of numbers. So n1 into n2 into n3 into and so on in k ways. So it is the fundamental principle of counting or fundamental counting principle. Simply we can say counting principle, not principle, it is principle. Clear? I hope you understood.